Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Members of the youth wing of the National People's Party, the National People's Youth Front, at a press conference held on the 3rd of August 2022, had strongly expressed opposition to uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters on Wednesday, the spokesperson of the Npyf, Bajab Pangrop, informed that the youth wing of the NPP will not support uranium mining in the state, as this will affect not only the present generation but the ones to come as well. He also urged upon all political parties to put aside their differences while protecting and fighting for the welfare and well-being of the indigenous people of the state. At the same time, Pangrop expressed his gratitude to the leaders of the NPP who have always been open to views and suggestions of young people of the party on issues concerning the state.
Npyf ki youth ngilang very against ya uranium mining, but dalilero kum ki youth ni perkhat be kalawai jong ni ki youth but ya ki lawai banwan kalian jongi ke Npyf ro ngilang very against ya uranium mining, but ngin penting naru bahaman ki unit jong ki Npyf jongi haki block bopher ba kin support be ya kan ka ai kama ngi ki leader jong ka Npyf ni ya don but ni yang be kanong rem ba ni we are very against ni persya ka uranium mining. But kim dai ban clear kan ka mat ni so si bang yu ba ki sedang ban clear yang re ba ya kan ka haba pun kot no namar ba dalilero ngin habbo ya baro syadin haba man kan ka mat uranium namar ngi so thu ba dati uranium ka jinx ni ko long ka bajor pala ti nakalian jong Npyf ni long form ba we are very against ya kan ka uranium mining po kan ka NPP family ka ik ba sotonat kalong ba ki leaders ni Shillong ni discuss ni tai but nakalian jong ngiru ni persngau syaki ba ngiru kum ki youth ni persya ba ni skong komen ba POE kilat tai ko bor the honorable deputy chief minister ila kran syai ba ni nakalian jong government nakalian jong party ni persya uranium mining ya kan kamat kamara mano-mano MP jong ka NPP ne UMLA jong ka NPP entrai lawara do donor minister bari jong ka BJP ngatrai ba ka state unit jong ka BJP ru kadai ban pressure ya ka party ke jongki khnang ba kin num wara syu ne kamat kin ngatrai ka duty jong ka state BJP unit ru kidai ban pressure kin ki leader jongki ba mdei ban wara ya ka no kamat ka ba pensosi ka jinglong jingman jongi ya ka sentiments jongi ken ki tribal